Here's the ALS bucket challenge.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm doing this thing for ALS because Sandy called me out even after I
Get back on.
Thank you, Sandy.
even after I gave her sushi for lunch.
No, not yet.
I just gotta go.
Go faster.
I know, but I just gotta go with you. Okay, I'm still calling her out because Sandy called me out. And I'm going to call out Danny Galloway from Hangar One Cafe and Mary from Auto Club and Sweet Baby James and Rocky's Art. They're going to have to do this.
And I'm calling out my sister Heather, my brother Michael, and my cousin Rachel, because my sister Christy already did it. And I'm going to call out my brother Steve, my son Matt, and my daughter Sarah. My dad died of ALS, so this is in honor of him.
Okay, jump away, Mike. Oh, shit! Oh, shit!